Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a GIF in Adobe Photoshop CC. So if I open Photoshop up, as you can see I have many layers here. So each layer is a new frame in the animation. So if I just hide some of them, as you can see each frame is a frame of the animation that I want. So what you need to do is you need to create a layer for each frame in the animation, and then once you've done that you then want to come up to Window, and then in Window you want to click on Timeline. Now in the timeline window, you then want to click on the create frame animation. Now if it doesn't say create frame animation in the box, all you need to do is click the drop down and then change it to create frame animation. So now we've clicked the create frame animation button. We now want to come over to the right hand side burger icon over here. And then we want to select the option that says make frames from layers. So now it's made each of our layers a frame. And then as you can see at the minute, there is a 0-second delay between them all. So if we play the animation, it will be quite fast. If you want to slow it down, all you need to do is increase the delay between the change of frame. So I will just do that on all of mine. And now if I play it again, as you can see the animation is slower. So once you're happy with the speed of your animation, all you need to do is press Ctrl, Shift, Alt and S, and that will open up the Save for Web window. Then in the Save for Web window, underneath the preset option, you can then select the file type. So in the file type, you want to select GIF. And then once you've selected GIF, you can then just click save and then save the GIF wherever you want. So I will just save it to the desktop. And now as you can see, the GIF is on the desktop. So if I just drag it into Chrome, so there we go, our GIF has now been created. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you liked the video, don't forget the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.